Binance has made a big announcement this afternoon of terminating its crypto C2C services from China. Let's know more about what Binance has to say about it. Hey guys, let's quickly sum up all the things we're going to talk about in today's video. After China's strong encryption ban, Binance will stop processing Chinese yuan transactions. The mayor of Miami has announced a plan to pay city employees with Bitcoin. Following China's crackdown, the United States now controls the majority of the worldwide Bitcoin hash rate distribution. In a $130 million cryptocurrency money laundering case, Chinese Zunyi police arrested 100 people. Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, announced Wednesday that it will terminate customer-to-customer Chinese yuan trading before the end of this year. Binance's latest move is seen as a retaliation for China's recent cryptocurrency ban. Despite Binance's withdrawal from the Chinese mainland market in 2017, users may still exchange Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether for RMB on a peer-to-peer basis. Binance will perform a user check and only enable mainland Chinese users to withdraw, redeem, and close positions, as well as to switch to the only cash withdrawal option, according to the official announcement following the People's Bank of China's announcement that all cryptocurrency transactions in the country are illegal. Yubai Global, another digital currency trading platform, has announced that it will gradually wind down its services in mainland China as the PBOC and other state regulators seek to tighten their grip on all activities involving digital currencies in the country. The Central Bank of China recently issued a prohibition that clearly said that all offshore exchanges shall not provide services to local investors and that illicit financing operations using cryptocurrency would be severely punished. The market feels that the directive released this time effectively puts an end to the possibility of exchanges and other platforms remaining in China. Other Bitcoin mining businesses have also pulled out the Chinese market. Francis X. Suarez, the mayor of Miami, is a well-known Bitcoin proponent who has been pushing to make Miami a crypto hub in the United States. Suarez has stated that the city plans to pay government personnel with Bitcoin and allow people to pay city taxes in BTC sometime in the first quarter of 2021. Many people dismissed the notion at the time, claiming that the municipal treasury was not within the mayor's direct authority. Mayor Suarez recently announced that the city would release a request for proposal later this month to make this feasible. Suarez-led Miami submitted a proposal in February this year to enable the city to invest in Bitcoin, but Florida rules prohibit municipal governments from holding such a risky commodity. According to Suarez, if we would have been able to hold it from the moment that I put the resolution up on our agenda, it'd be up by 30 or 40%. So I would have looked like a genius back then, he said, but that's the way it works. Current Florida laws may have it made impossible for Miami to invest directly in Bitcoin, but Suarez devised a workaround in the form of Miami Coin. The Miami Coin is the city's first local crypto asset. It is based on Bitcoin, and the revenue earned from mining the token will be used to help the city flourish. Miami Coin has already contributed $10 million to the city's coffers just 2 months after its introduction. Mayor Suarez has previously stated that he intends to make Miami a clean Bitcoin mining hub, since Florida is already at the forefront of the state's rising popularity of Bitcoin mining. The United States currently accounts for more than a third of all Bitcoin mining activity, with Kazakhstan and Russia quickly falling behind. Following China's broad crackdown on Bitcoin mining, the United States has now surpassed China as the #1 nation in terms of hash rate. Bitcoin miners in America account for 35.4% of the overall worldwide BTC mining hash rate distribution, according to the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index. Kazakhstan 18% and Russia 11% are the next two big Bitcoin mining centers outside of the United States, according to CBECI statistics. Following China's crypto mining prohibition, these three countries have gained substantial market share. The fact that China has 0% hash rate according to CBECI statistics is maybe of special relevance. Despite the prohibition, it's conceivable that hidden mining activities are still going on. Following Beijing's clampdown, the United States, which accounts for the largest part of worldwide hash rate distribution, is likely to complete the predicted east-west miner movement. Apart from the Chinese crackdown, crypto mining operations in North America have been expanding their capacity by significantly increasing their hardware capacity. day. Large orders of mining rigs from prominent manufacturers like Bitmain and MicroBT have been placed by American miners like Argo Blockchain, Red Blockchain, Marathon, and others. Mega Bitcoin mining hubs are likely to spring up in places like Texas and Ohio, boosting the output capacity of US crypto miners even more. With the growth of the Bitcoin mining industry in the United States, more firms are pursuing a public listing on American Stock Exchange. The Zunyi City Public Security Bureau arrested over 100 individuals for conducting one of the largest virtual currency money laundering rackets, totaling 800 million yuan or $130 million in laundered funds, according to the latest report on the Chinese crypto ban. Furthermore, the money laundering gang established new accounts and carried out the fraud using exchange giants including Huobi, OKX, and Binance, according to the authorities. The Anti-Fraud Task Force, codenamed 7.22, was formed by the Zunyi City Public Security Bureau in conjunction with the Ministry of Public Security. The task team also revealed 332 telecommunication fraud cases around the country, in addition to the 100 suspects in the $130 million money laundering crime. The concealing price, according to the authorities, was 9.56 million yuan plus the value of the assets involved, which was estimated to be about 3 million yuan. In addition, the authorities confiscated 51 cell phones, 15 laptops, and 511 bank cards, as well as money laundering transactions totaling 800 million yuan. China's autocratic government has gone to great lengths to make cryptocurrency operations illegal in the country. The Chinese government is now tracking IP addresses in order to prevent illegal crypto mining in the nation. Colin Wu provided an exclusive and frightening document, a Shanghai Telecom sheet, that identified the IP address as well as the sort of Bitcoin that the address was mining. So that's all for now. We'll get back to you tomorrow. Until then, join our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews, and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel for daily updated crypto news.